Monkey. Hi guys, it's Normerjane's travel journey again. For today's video, I'm gonna cook a pochero. I saw this recipe in YouTube, and while watching this, I told myself to try it. So here, I'm right now trying to cook this recipe. Let's start with the ingredients. Pork cubes, about half kilo. 1 whole onion chops. 2 banana plantain. 1 carrot cut into cubes or round. Red pepper. 3 pieces of bok choy. Okra, a little bit of ginger, and 5 cloves of garlic. 1 can of tomato sauce. 1 pork cubes, optional to add taste. Salt, black pepper, and a bit of oyster sauce to add more taste. Plus laurel leaves, about 1 or 2. When everything is ready, I also sear the pork until they turn into brown each side. For searing, I only use the natural fat from the pork. Remove the seared pork from the pan and then put onions, garlic, and ginger into it. Fry carrots and banana a little bit. Remove carrots and bananas from the pan. Pour back the seared pork cubes into the pan. Mix them well and let the pork cook for about 5 minutes. Pour carrots and banana and then mix them all together. Add a little bit of water, boiled, and then pour the tomato sauce and mix. Add the pork nor cubes and add a little bit of oyster sauce and then the leaves of laurel and let it boil. Then lower the stove into medium heat. Or it depends upon how much time you will spend with your cooking. Me, I prefer to cook slower because the more you cook it slow, the more the meat will be tender. Cover your cooking pan and check it from time to time. Here I was checking my carrots and the meat if it is tender enough. By the way, for your laurel leaves, you can choose whenever you want to put them. You can put it in the middle of your cooking or before the end of your cooking. This one here, I forget a little bit, so I put the leaves before the okra and the other vegetables like bok choy. After checking your carrots and pork and they are tender enough and you can see that they are almost ready, you can put the red pepper, the okra, the bok choy, and some of your vegetables. And then after that, add a little bit of salt and ground pepper to taste. And that's it. We're almost done here. Almost done here. And basta so contender. So that's it guys. I hope you enjoyed the video, and you can also try this recipe because honestly it was good. Thank you for watching.